Hi everyone, so I'm back to share with you a design team project for ARTYmaze. This is using her new Build a Cluster kit, and I will link that kit below. So I managed to have a little play with that today, and I've made a blank journal, and I've made some pockets and some tags and some altered envelopes. So this will be listed in my shop as well, and I will the link for that will be below. Now the journal, like I said, is just blank. It's just coffee dyed papers, either to write in, to decorate. You can surely decorate that if you wanted to, with pockets and pages. If you actually buy the kit as well, you can use the kit to decorate journal or do whatever you like with it. So that measures 8 by 4 3/4, 40 pages front and back. And as you can see, I've used one of the pages from the kit to decorate the cover. Then I've used all the collage pieces that you get in the kit. This piece actually isn't from it, it's from her number label kit, but it was blue. I wanted blue because I'd used blue down here and a little shades of blue there. So that was fun. That's a great little kit, and I'm just gonna flick through that really quickly. Okay, and all this was dried outside in the sun. So that is the little journal. So I'm just gonna sit that up out the way. So then I used the elements here and the tags that you get with the kit as well. So I just built up these little pieces that you get with the kit, and I think there's like 3 or 4 pages of tags that you can work with, or you can keep them as they are, and that's the second one. And I've just got some linen thread through that, and then there's this one, and all these little pieces as well. There's like washi tape, butterflies, birds, ephemera, collage sheets, and like I say, it's endless what you can do with that. Little journal cards as well. So I put some little windows in these. These are the Tim Holtz die, the envelope flap die I think it's called, and the butterflies are they're a freebie from ARTYmaze. And then I just stitched on some tabs, and these little labels are from the kit as well. And then inside here we have another little journal card. I love the florals, and that goes in there. So they're blank on the back. You could actually use this stuff to put in that journal. Then there's these. I done some of these yesterday in the stuffed paper bag with the journal. That was, I think it was my last video. So I done some more of these. Used the kind of full washi tape, done some stamping, put some dictionary pages on here, done a lot of stitching around. Used one of my dies to put a window in here, and then we've got a little tag from the kit, a butterfly, some more of the washi there, and a little label. Inside there we have a little collage tag that I've made using everything from the kit, and that goes in there, and that's on some craft cardstock, so that peeks through like that. Then there's this one here, and got the little labels from the kit and the full washi, some stamping. And then inside there we have this one here, and again it's all from the kit. Excuse me. And let's get that in there. So yeah, this is a lovely little kit. Then I done a big one, a big envelope, done some collaging on the back here. This paper isn't from ARTYmaze, but I used that. I had some of that left over in my stash. Labels and all the little stripy bits are little strips are bits that you can kind of cut up from the collage sheets as well. Little bit stamping there. Decorated it with labels from the kit, the washi, full washi here, butterfly. Then inside there I put some Edith Holden and had the dragonfly, so I thought it was appropriate to put the dragonfly there. And inside there we have this big tag using some of the collage papers with the kit, and some of, like I said, some of the collage papers you can literally cut them up because they've got lovely designs on them. And then this is one of the journal cards, little label, put some paper behind that, and then a little label there, and that is that. So that's what I've made using the new kit from ARTYmaze. Do love these envelopes. Yeah, are cute, and they were inspired by Bohemian Crafting. Hers were a little bit different, but you know what it's like, you see something and you kind of do it your own way. So that is everything that I made using the new kit, and the little journal, which is cute, and like I said, it's blank, ready to work in. So if you have any questions, like I said, I will link everything below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.